Today I'll be teaching you how to make this homemade liquid Castile soap shampoo. So welcome back to my channel. At Medics Formulation School, I share few formulas, I share tips, I share things that would help you on your formulation journey. So if you're here to subscribe, please do subscribe because I have a lot of informative and educative videos on my channel. So let's get right into it. So for this liquid Castile soap shampoo, I'm going to be using rosemary water as the water. So you can use normal water, but me, I prefer to use an infused water. You can decide to use any other herbs of your choice. There are a lot of herbs that are actually very good for the hair. And me, I love rosemary leaves. Like, I love rosemary. Like, it has a lot of wonderful benefits for the hair. So you can just do your own research and find more herbs. You can decide to also use other herbs and add to it, right? But it's a shampoo and it's not like the shampoo is going to stay too long on our hair. So when you want to do most times, like you want to add a lot of herbs and all, you should do it mostly in your deep conditioning treatment or your hair products and all that would remain on your hair. So I'll just use rosemary without, so I would boil it to extract it. So I'm just going to boil this. I just love the scent. So I'm just going to boil this, and then when I'm done boiling, I'll show you, and then I would actually sieve it to get the water. So I am back, and there is it after boiling, and you can see that the color has changed, and you can see that the water has also reduced because I really boiled this very well. I don't know if there's a way I can bend it to show you. Yeah, you can see the color has changed. So I'm going to extract it. I'm going to sieve it, and then I'll come back to show you. So I am back. I have sieved it, and I'm going to add it to the bottle. You can see that the color is totally different, right? You can see the color is totally different. And then I'm going to add our Castile, liquid Castile soap. If you want to get the measurements of the recipe, it's on the Midex Formulation School community. That's our free Telegram group. So just check the link in the caption to join. It is totally free. So we add our liquid Castile soap now. And then I'm going to be adding glycerin. Then another thing you can add, you can decide to add few drops of essential oil, any essential oil of your choice. I'm going to be adding sweet orange essential oil, so you can just add few drops of any essential oil of your choice, and that's fine. So that is it. Our liquid Castile soap shampoo is ready, and it smells really nice because of the essential oil. So yeah, this is the shampoo. I just made very little, do not make too much. Look at it. This is the shampoo, and this shampoo is actually very nice because of the rosemary and then the essential. It has a lot of benefits, and then it should also be moisturizing because of the glycerin. Now this is just a homemade shampoo, and this does not contain preservatives, so you should make very little batch that you can use at once, or you can put it in your fridge. It would last for a few days when you put it in your fridge, you understand? So you can also decide if you want to add preservative. You can decide to test adjust pH, then add your preservative. Yeah, I also have other videos on how to make hair products, like even black soap shampoo, rinse out conditioner, hair mist, and so many nice products. You can check my channel, and please do subscribe because I will post another video soon. Bye.